Here's my hot cocoa.
Yeah. So if you bring ice cream, you bring vanilla.
Vanilla.
Because I'm going to bring some root beer.
Okay. Love my hot cocoa. You got lots of creamer. What? Sitting in a restaurant? Sit again?
You know what? People are going to think you even weirder sitting in a restaurant and it's not even sunny out with sunglasses on. This guy's out of trouble.
Oh, yeah? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Lan,
Yes,
you remember my name?
I can.
Cecile
Sister,
and Bill.
Belly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Lan.
Thank you, Belly.
Okay.
See you couple minutes.
Okay. Thank you. It's my breakfast.
See if you can
Eat it.
eat it.
Big
Pancakes
pancake.
are pretty soft.
Yeah.
So you
So it's gonna be good for me since I'm in the soft diet.
yeah. How long did he say you have to be on that for, the soft?
I don't know.
Better ask him when you go pick up your paperwork.
Okay. Then up 2 weeks before my it will heal, and then before they do the decompression and make another denture for me before doing the implant. So I'm gonna begin again.
Well, hopefully by that time you have your time.
Yeah.
You
I
get it
think
at
so.
the end of this month, right?
Yeah, at the end of this month. And then I will just absent few days. It's good, honey. It's easy. Crumbled egg. It's easy.
Yeah, pancake.
Pancake.
You're probably in heaven because you can eat something more than liquid.
Yeah. I'm tired of the jello. Just tired. I like jello, but not 3 times a day.
That's why I eat once a day.
Thank you for the breakfast, hon.
Well,
It's okay, we didn't have dinner, but this is good. This is better.
yeah,
Like dinner will be only soup.
soup and noodles.
Yeah. This one is more happy to my tummy. It's in tummy cafe. Tummy's cafe.
Yeah.
Let's hot sauce.
Tabasco, yeah.
Tabasco.